Okay, so on a Wednesday morning, we're going up on the roof to try and repair the TV Plus antenna. We had to break out our bag of nails and make a repair to our OSHA approved ladder that we have here. And let's see how this works out. All right, here we go. The ladder's holding so far. This is the new roof that we had put on, along with the videoke room here in the back. I really hate walking up here because this is what creates leaks in your roof, but we've got water. I can see where the water's coming in right now, right here on this seam. You can see that's where the water's getting in. Oi. Hello.
Yun nga mas maganda ngayon sa mga butas. Ano yan? Di ba nakakakulong yan?
Melanie is wearing her OSHA approved Sanellas for this job. Me too. That's all that little antenna is? It's just that little guy right there?
Yes.
Oh.
I just moved it so maybe it's they have more signal. A little bit higher.
Where was it at when you came up here?
Right there.
Oh, all the way down? Yeah, that'll probably help it. So the TV has a little bit of a delay. You know, like it pauses. It pauses and then picks back up again on the TV Plus. So we're thinking if we... The antenna was way down at the edge of the roof, so Melanie has moved it up a little bit higher. Maybe that's gonna help us out. We'll see. Nice view. There's a pusa over there licking itself.
Honey, I think
Huh?
we can get the lip.
There's a problem where?
I think first we can get the lip. We don't have nails in this one. We don't have this one. What's that? Tulo yan. It's right here. Maraming tulo. Ano nilalagay mo? Hindi, hinahanap ko lang kasi wala pa akong nilalagay.
Pag naulan kasi, tingnan madaling ano yun. Kaya lang papakit sila.
Nanginginig ako sa ulan, malamig eh. This one. There's no nails on that.
I don't know.
Sa ilalim makita mo yan pag
May nakaangat eh. Ito.
I'm actually a little more concerned about the seam down here than anything.
Just put this one. Just a mark. Just a mark lang, di ba?
Yeah. All right, and that is going to conclude that's going to conclude this episode of DIY Philippines. Do it yourself, baby. North Caloocan City. Please tune in next week when Phil and Melanie are going to do something. What are we going to do next week on next week's episode?
I don't know.
We don't know. We're just hacks.
Just think.
You'll see when we put the video up. Bye now. All right. So this is how we trick Maddie to stay interested. Just tie her toys up here, put her on the trash can, and Melanie can trim her. She stays interested in these toys. Huh, Maddie? You don't mind getting a haircut, do ya? All right, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to Philo in the Philippines, and just going to do a little garden update here. Like I told you guys, we have a look at the garden every now and then so you guys can see the progress. We're trying to grow a few vegetables here. Just trying, you know, because it's kind of fun, and maybe we can get a little bit of free food out of the deal too. So here you go. You guys saw them the last time. Oh man, well, my knee's been bugging me. I don't know what to think about that. Anyway, here's our... These are the cucumbers down here on this end. And now you can see our beans are starting to crawl. You see that? These are crawlers, and they are crawling, man. Look at them go. Look at the size of these things, you guys. This is about 2 weeks now from seed, believe it or not. This is about 2 weeks from seed. There you go. Look at that. Look at them go. I mean, some of these, you guys, we're getting 3-4 inches a day. It's just absolutely amazing. It really is. How fertile the ground is here. And look at this. It's just rock. You know? It's just rock. It's incredible, really. I've never seen anything like that. You know, even I'm from Indiana now. I'm from, you know, farmland Indiana. Originally, that's where I grew up as a kid. And I've never seen anything grow like this. This is insane. How quickly everything's growing. Anyway, there you go. Just a short garden update. We are going to have a ton of string beans, man, which we love. And these are, oh God, I don't remember. Melanie told me, but I don't remember what they are. Whatever that is, the bugs were already getting it. But yeah, Melanie's brother did a lot of this. We are going to have a ton of string beans. And then my very favorite. Okay, we got shallots here. And that there is the, I know. I don't know what that is, sorry. It's coming out nicely though, whatever it is. Again, Melanie's brother planted a lot of this stuff, and I still haven't had a chance to find out. But over here are my red pepper plants. So we're gonna have red peppers, man. You know, everything. Guys, the inflation here is absolutely insane. Melanie is telling me now that right now she's paying double for everything that we buy compared to, say, 2015. She's paying double the price. Potatoes are double the price. All the gulai, all the vegetables are double the price that they used to be just 3 years ago. So yeah, inflation's crazy. And now that everything's drying out, we should start getting some pineapples here pretty soon. I'm trying to watch for a bloom to come up. We should see a bloom here pretty soon. We're out of rainy season now, just about. We're at the very tail end of it, so we should get a nice little run of pineapples this year. All right, guys. That's more simple life in Caloocan, North City, baby. Where the city meets the province. That's what we do here. Show you guys what simple life is like. Thanks so much, everybody, for watching the channel. We appreciate your, your support that you're giving us. We never thought that we would ever, I started out doing this as just a video diary, and we never thought that we were going to get any followers. We didn't think anybody would be interested in, where we live, and, we're in northern Manila, and we didn't think, it seems like Angeles City and Cebu and, Davao and Mindanao are more popular vlogging areas than where we're at here. But turns out we have a lot of interest, and we have a great time in the live chats. Don't forget the live chats are every Tuesday and Friday, 10 a.m. Philippines time. So if you get a chance, come in and chat with us, and let's talk about the Philippines, baby. Until the next video, thanks again for your support. We appreciate it. I know. And what's going on here? Hi, Nicole. Maddie is cooling off. This is the equivalent to running through the sprinklers in the Western world because it's so hot. Hi, Nicole. Ang init, diba?
Init. Init. Pinis na, pinis na. Pinis.
Wow, look at that bucket you're in, Maddie.
Oh,
wow, look at you now.
Standing.
Maganda.
Oh, standing.
Standing in the bucket. So funny. Oh. You say it's in the back, Mama. I'll get it. It's hanging long in the back. Maddie, I don't know if that's a look of relief on your face or if you're... Look at you. You're all wet. But you probably feel better, huh? Come on.
Come here. Here. Come here. Oh, yes, baby.
That's so funny.
Baby. Baby.
So funny lang.